SAP keeps warehouse operations moving in the background, but on the floor, execution still slows down when people are stuck with manual steps and outdated screens. That gap between system strength and operator experience is where delays, friction, and avoidable errors start to build. In goods receipt, goods issue, and stock transfer, the process is familiar, but the execution work is still repetitive, validation-heavy, and hard for operators to move through quickly. Instead of a smooth flow, teams often bounce between scans, entries, checks, and corrections across interfaces that were never designed for fast warehouse execution. Traditional RF screens get the job done, but they're limited when a process needs richer logic, clearer guidance, or smarter operator support. SAP GUI brings power, but for warehouse teams, it can feel too dense and too technical for fast execution on the floor. Mobile and Fiori options improve the experience, but every change can turn into a development project with higher cost and slower iteration. Artificio AI sits on top of SAP as the execution layer, giving warehouse teams a simpler way to run work without disrupting the SAP core underneath. It connects through OData, orchestrates the workflow around the transaction, and presents each task through a UI built for the operator, not the system specialist. That means goods receipt, goods issue, and stock transfer can all run through device-agnostic experiences, with AI helping capture data, guide decisions, and validate inputs in real time. You keep SAP as the system of record, while execution becomes faster, cleaner, and easier to adapt at the edge. The real differentiator is how quickly you can build the execution experience. With no-code drag and drop, teams can design SAP workflows visually instead of waiting on long development cycles. And with prompt-driven UI creation, a business user can generate a task-ready screen in minutes, then refine it around the operation. Field mapping, validations, barcode inputs, and workflow logic are built into the flow, so the interface actively helps operators get the transaction right the first time. That turns warehouse execution from a rigid IT project into a fast, business-led capability. The result is measurable: faster warehouse execution, fewer manual errors, and much shorter time from process idea to live deployment. If you're rethinking warehouse automation on SAP, Artificio AI offers a practical path to a more intelligent execution model.